Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm sharing with you the Simply Elegant Specialty Designer Series paper from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog 2021 to 2022. This designer series paper is 12 by 12 and it's specialty because every one side of the paper has a fabulous foil to it. So the back side of the paper is a solid regular print, but then the other side has that gorgeous foil that you can see here with that shine. Here, this one's foily. You can see here, there's that copper. It's just absolutely stunning. So this paper includes basic black, basic gray, very vanilla, and whisper white. So you can see all of those are included in this gorgeous, gorgeous pack. It is absolutely stunning. I think it'll be great for so many different looks like Christmas or a wedding anniversary, but just so many different fun looks. And you can always color the foil side and the ink will then soak up on the actual cardstock and not on the foil for an absolutely stunning look. I'm going to go through each sheet so that you can see it. I'll also be kind of wiggling it a little bit so you can see that shine and shimmer with the foil. And then you can see it on the full spectrum of the full pattern of 12 by 12 rather than just that little swatch in the catalog. Be sure to pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll let you know what my favorite one is at the end. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one? Are you loving this Simply Elegant Specialty Designer Series paper? I will say that my favorite one is this one here. I just love that white and gold look together. But I'm also loving some of these black patterns too because they're so classic and I feel like they will go, that one's gray, but that one's black, that they will go for any sort of occasion. So it doesn't actually have like an elegant look. And I love how a designer series paper pack has a little bit of everything that I can use for so many different occasions because then I find it more versatile and I'll be able to use it up so much better. So those are my favorites. Of course, if you would like to see other designer series paper reveals, I have an entire playlist that I will link at the end and you can check those out to be able to see all of the designer series paper. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping!